Hi guys, and today in my channel, this video is all about algebra. So in my class, the current topic we are learning about is algebra and mathematics. So I decided maybe I can make a video on it because I'm usually very interested in algebra. I find it like a big puzzle to solve. But I wanted to teach what is algebra, what is the purpose of it. Later on, we will get into more things about algebra. Anyway, so what is algebra? Okay, algebra is all about keeping your well, you can say answer or pretty much answer simple. Okay, so as you see, sometimes answers have fixed values, so values you cannot change. Well, algebra, the whole point of it is your answer over here in algebra is unknown. Basically, you can say it as that. Nobody knows it. If you do, you know it though. There's no fixed value for it. And yeah, so it's a simple one. It's not a fixed value. It's not a hard one or something. So these guys over here, they are called variables. Variables are the ones that cover up your answer or non-fixed value or like your number. So suppose like we have 20 or something, you could put X instead of 20 if it's basically for an unknown number, something that you're not very sure of. In another way, you can say that something that does not has a fixed value. It can change. So variables always keep the answer, or you could say the thinking of something simple. Instead of having a high number or a low number or fixed value, it can change, and so that's why it's a short answer. Variables. Wow, we're going to talk about them now. So variables are usually in alphabet letters. Okay, because numbers themselves are fixed values. That's why in algebra, whenever you see it, it's usually X or Y or any other number, and any other letter in the alphabet. That is because the alphabet has no fixed value, except if you have a number like 2, it has a fixed value already, so there's nothing really you can do about it, and it's not really presenting anything other than making it harder for you. So no, it cannot be numbers. So, algebra and variables. Variables in algebra are basically unknown numbers. You don't know them at all. So, they don't have a fixed value. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you don't really know them. They can change whenever they need. Depends on how the problem is, how the way you're doing it or solving it or something. In that way, in algebra, variable can be infinity, or it can be the first number in that numbers. Number 1. You never really know. It can change anytime depending on how your sum is or your equation is or whatever you want to call it. That's the way how to say it. As you get into complications, as you get into older classes, like I'm in grade 5 now, I'm bet in a few years I'll be going into very hard algebra. That's where I want to already get it right now. That's why I'm making this video, to make it easier in the future. But as in the future, algebra grows harder. It will go up, it will be harder, and you'll see all sorts of variables, or you will feel the pain. Like these over here, if you check in the background, these are crazy variables. See? But sometimes they add in numbers. That is only for another type of algebra, but it goes crazy. It's so hard. That's why they tell you to learn it right now to make it easier for you in the future. Okay? Okay, thank you guys. This was pretty much my video. What is algebra? I just made this video to get a clear idea what is algebra, and if you ever get a problem or something with it, what is it? How do you do it? If you find a variable, don't think, oh my god, there's letters in math. Well, there sort of is, but they're called variables. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, guys, please like it. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be uploading some more cool videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this session with me. So bye-bye.